what are we doing today?
Well, Roween, I am about to do the lead tray for one of my clients, and I need to test the smoke in which of the 4 chimney stacks that are built up of one chimney on the roof are active. Now, the customer said that she only wants the downstairs living room one, but there is another one in the lounge that is also attached, and I want to more or less put in both chimney stacks in there, or chimney flues in there, so that she can make a decision whether she wants the right or the left one in the downstairs rooms. The 2 upstairs ones are no longer active. By the way that it's been all blocked up in the rooms, it will never be active. And if she does open it, she's going to have to change the pots in the chimney roof. I'm not going to do 4 openings. That's it. So I'll tell you more when we get there. Off with the hat, on with the bump cap. Right, so we're here at the house, and what we're going to do is we're just going to do a wee test. I bought a brand new Milwaukee. Thanks, Milwaukee, for taking the chimney down, but we're going to burn the box today just to create a white smoke, a pure smoke up there, to find out what goes where. So let's have a look. Come on inside, guys. We're leaving the car running. It's too bloody cold. So, so this is probably us. Charlie, could you go and grab, we haven't got any buckets, have we? Probably nowhere nearby, have we?
There's one, no, just the one that's standing on
There's no chimney in here. There's no fire in here. No. So that is dead. That is dead. Right, so that is dead. This is the one that I thought I was going to put a hole in the lead tray for this channel. So that's dead. That's why it wasn't so sooty. There was no soot, and I was like, they must be burning really good fuel, or not burning it, or rarely burning it. And I thought this fire, it's fake. There's nothing there. They took it out. So this one's the only one that's real. This one here. Now this is caused by us working from the top. So debris was falling down, which means that it's a good chimney. So all this crap here, this all needs to get cleaned, Charlie. We get this brushed up once we finished, because that's soot coming down from our chimney. So this is the chimney that we need to light the fire with. And then you have to tell me whether it is number 1 to the street, number 2, number 3, or number 4. I believe it's number 3, because that's the one with the most soot, which I was wondering, why is it the one with the most soot? But that's because this is the only one that's used. So I'm just gonna light a wee fire, nothing too spectacular. Before we start, come on upstairs for a second, guys. So this is the chimney that goes up to the thing that's also disconnected. That's gone. That's totally dead. We don't do anything with that either. So this is also gone. It's been sealed up, wallpapered, and lovingly, close that window a bit, a fish tank, that's the fish tank. So there's 3 chimneys that are closed up. I thought it was 2. Better for me, because when I'm doing the lead tray, I only have to put 1 flue entrance in on the lead tray, which is good news. So I'm gonna light that, Charlie. I believe it's number 3, but I need you to confirm that for me, kiddo. So I'm just gonna light it now, mate. All right, so all I'm doing is I'm just gonna light a wee fire using some of these pieces of paper. Yes, guys, we can light fires in Northern Ireland. Now it's just to light a fire so I can get a bit of smoke.
That's a fall.
It just fell and put it out again. Okay, so the idea is just to create enough smoke that Charlie can confirm that it's number 3. I believe that it's, of the 4, it's number 3. I hope that is the case, because then this is a part of the video when I'm doing the lead tray for this. Now, again, for crying out loud, there's going to be about 1,000 of you go, oh, that's not how it's done. That's not how, if I was there, I'd do it better. You're a crook, you're a scammer. We use all feck away off, will yous? I've been doing this a lot long enough to know whether it's right or wrong. There's always a better person that knows better. Just shut your mouth and go, I know better. Bloody YouTube keyboard warriors is all yous are. Right, so that's now going to create a smoke up inside, up the chimney, and I do believe it's number 3. Has he come back? Has the monkey come back?
Yeah, it's going around.
Well,
Number 3.
yay! Come on. Number 3 it is. So then we're going to go back in now because I've got all the numbers, and I had Charlie come up the other day to verify my numbers before I went and start cutting the lead. So we're now going to start doing the lead for this client so that we can get the brickwork started this week. So let's turn on all the things. So fake chimney, and here I'm tall enough to just simply turn off the power supply. All right, so chimney number 3. So we're going to go back now to the studio. I'm going to make a new lead tray. I'm going to do it the way I know. Maybe you specialists know more than me. Of course you do. You're in your trade. I'm a building contractor, guys. I have to do everything for everybody. So to that, whatever that is. Right, come on, let's go.